Hello my good people, what's up? Welcome again to my YouTube channel. If it's your new time here, please consider subscribing to my channel, like, comment and share my content. And to my returning subscribers, I always appreciate. Thank you so much for always coming back. So in today's video, I'll be showing you tips on how to do natural nail polish, which can last for at least 3 weeks. Like, yeah, you can just stay with your natural nails without going to do them in the spa. Baby girls, if you do not have enough money to go to do your nails in the spas, do not worry. You can at least do your nails at home with just basic tips. You can maintain that classy and bossy look using just natural nails polish. Do not let your nails chip off when you have some option of using just these. Only three polishes to maintain that bossy and classy look. So basically today I'll be sharing with you tips on how you can maintain those classy and bossy nail tips without chipping off, and it can last for at least 3 weeks. So let's get straight into the video. I'll be using my earbuds. These earbuds is my cotton alternative because I do not have cotton right now. So for my next step, I'm going to use some lukewarm water and some soap to wash my hands and get rid of the dirt that I had. And also this helps to soften the cuticle. During the process, I'm going to push back the cuticle so that it can give us a bigger surface area for my polish. So I'm going to let my nails sit there for around 2 minutes. So the next step, we are going to file and buff our nails. So what you have to do when filing, you have to hold your file on the nail, hold it on the nail, and then tilt a little bit so that you can file from underneath. This prevents you from over filing your nails. So you're going to file till you get the shape that you need. And by the way, frequent filing of your nails prevent nail breakages. So if you do not want your nails, or you have a problem of your nails breaking after working with water for a long time, please keep filing your nails for after some time, that is. Do not stay for long without filing your nails, because definitely they will break. That is the shape that I want to work with. So step number 3, we are going to buffer our nails. So this creates a smooth and shiny surface and also creates a good foundation for the polish. Step number 4, we are going to use this lanolin cream. It is used for softening the cuticle. So basically we are going to use it, our cuticle remover. Then after that we are going to use this metallic cuticle remover. But when you are using this metallic cuticle remover, you should take care, you should be keen not to hurt the cuticle, this cuticle, because the moment you hurt the cuticle, you're just exposing yourself to entry of bacteria and infection of these parts. So if you have an alternative, go for the wooden. We have wooden cuticle removers. In our 5th step, we are going to wash our hands again, because we do not want our nails to have any oil coating, which can prevent our polish from sticking for a longer time. The 6th step is the most important important of all the steps, and you should never skip this one. If you want your nails to last for a longer time, if you do not want your nails to chip off after 2 days or 2 weeks, please, it's the application of the base coat, this one. It also helps to harden your nails. If you have a problem of nail breakages, the base coat is your solution. So if you are applying any nail polish, please do not skip this 6th step, the base coat. So let's apply this. So whatever you have to do is that you should just get the right enough for one nail, for one finger, that is. Do not over apply the base coat, because it's just going to affect the outcome of everything. So you have to start up and then drag down and then apply the sides. You should avoid applying on the skin. So in our 7th step, we are going to apply the nail polish, and you should be waiting for at least 2 minutes before proceeding to the subsequent step. So in our step here, we are going to apply our nail polish. I chose this red color. And we are going to apply in 2 coatings, and this is the first coating. So apply a thin coating in the first process. Get rid of the excess polish if you applied it on the sides before it dries up. And into our final step, we are going to use this top coat. It makes the polish shiny, and then it makes the polish also stay for a longer time. That is our top quote.